Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I am very excited to take you through a beautiful new 2022 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard that we are delivering today. This is the first 370 to come through Charleston. It's a new model from Sea Ray. Very impressed with this boat so far. This is the Kingfisher Teal exterior gel coat that we did in a full hull color with a white gel stripe. This is the coupe enclosure. So you have full windows that go all the way up to the hardtop. You can do the hardtop in either black or white. You get black here. The boat can be powered by either triple 300 Verados, which are the V8 4.6 liter motors with joystick, or twin 600 Verados. The 300s plane this boat very well. We hit top speeds of 49 miles per hour, cruising speeds in the 30s. We've got SeaDek throughout the boat in tan to match the dune-colored interior upholstery. We have storage for dock lines, shore power cords here on the port side, battery switches here on the starboard side. There's a freshwater shower with hot and cold water. Reboarding ladder off the starboard side. This seat actually converts to have three positions. You've got it facing forward here, and then with these levers you can drop this seat down, and with this other lever you can drop this into a backrest, so you can either lounge or you can sit facing aft. I'll show that a little bit later. We've got an L-shaped settee here with storage beneath the seats. Our systems access is down below. A generator, seakeeper, etc. More opposing seating off the starboard side. We've got a shore shade that extends all the way out to the swim platform. So even if you were sitting facing aft with this converted, we'd be under the shade. We've got our wet bar summer kitchen area with the grill, refrigerator, trash receptacle, storage, Corian countertop, really nicely appointed, the wet bar sink, 4 cup holders. We've got AC in the cockpit. There's an option for a television that faces aft and stows in that port side locker. Here at the helm seat is double wide with an adjustable bolster. Very comfortable to sit or lean with 2 angled footrests with non-skid. We got a VHF radio, dynamic running surface with the trim tabs, our joystick, digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados, twin Simrad 16-inch screens that are fully integrated. This is the upgraded sound system. We've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, amps, subwoofers, lots of speakers throughout the boat, really great sound. We also have a sunroof and a powered window here in the hardtop. There's a vent forward. You also have powered windows on either side, so the boat gets great ventilation when you're running. It's very comfortable, and obviously you have very heavy duty access to the bow with this block off door as part of the windshield, and then you have an additional door here to fully block it off. And you'll notice it actually closes this direction so wind isn't going to blow it back open. The bow is very comfortable, lots of seating, cup holders, speakers, charging ports. You got armrests that come down. This is actually a backrest that comes up and locks into place. So you've got a great social zone up here. Spotlight forward, anchor windlass, really large windshield, single piece windshield, so you have great visibility, large windshield wiper. You can see our radar, TV antenna are all color matched in black. Easy transition from the cockpit to the bow, no steps, just an incline. Going down to the cabin, very spacious cabin on this 37. Really large settee here. Distribution panel is behind this port side backrest. And then you've got storage beneath both of these. Your bed here actually is a powered bed that converts with the push of a button. You've got television here. This is the upgraded arbor interior, hanging closet. So you get different upholstery, flooring, countertops, accents. Here we've got a refrigerator, microwave, another freshwater sink, and then storage in the cabinetry. You also get upgraded tile flooring and teak flooring and a teak bench within the shower. It is a stand-up shower with a wand. Got an overhead skylight, so good lighting in here, natural lighting. And then the aft cabin is very sizable, very spacious. We've got all the bedding back here. So there's an option for a television that hides away. It comes up. And similarly, you have storage on the port side. Functions the same way. Hull side windows gives you good lighting. Lots of headroom here. Someone who's well over 6 feet will have plenty of space. So that is a walkthrough of Sea Ray's 370 Sundancer. This is a brand new model of Sea Ray. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. You can always visit us online at MarineMax.com, and our store is located at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. Again, thanks for watching.